How to fix 802840001 TPM error on Teams or Outlook. This error code 802840001 is a DLL initialization error that can occur when there are conflicts with graphics drivers. This error can impact various applications, including Microsoft Teams and Outlook, as well as Adobe Software and Windows File Explorer. There are several possible solutions that you can try to fix this error, such as disabling your discrete GPU and using your integrated GPU instead. Updating your operating system or graphics card drivers, using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide, to the latest version. Reinstalling Java or deleting the Cairo.dll file in your game folder. Uninstalling the NVIDIA GeForce. Experience app or modifying the Minecraft launcher path. Verifying the integrity of your game files or reinstalling the game completely.